First, measure your glass. How tall the glass is will be the width, and around the glass is the height. Make a note of these numbers. Make sure the laser engraver is turned off and unplugged. Flip up the rulers and remove the mesh bed. Remove the waste tray. Carefully add the rotary attachment and plug it in. Plug in the laser engraver and turn it on. Press the red dot button. Add the glass. Press the focus mode button. Flip the focus tool, then press the up and down arrows until the focus tool barely touches the glass. Press the back button to exit focus mode. Flip the focus tool back up. Set the center of the glass by pressing the XY disable button, then press play. Move the arm until it is centered on the glass. Then press the Set Home Center button to save the location. Press the back button to get back to the job menu. Press the red dot button to turn off the red pointer. Press back again. The engraver is ready for the job. On the computer, plug in the Make of the Month USB drive. Access the drive and locate the files for June 2023. Open the file you want to engrave with Adobe Acrobat. Click the print icon. Make sure the epilogue engraver is the printer. Then press Properties. Refer to the materials list on the wall of the makerspace or in the binder. First set the job as raster. Then change the resolution to 300 dpi. Change the speed to 20% and the power to 100% as on the chart. Change the engraved direction to bottom up and the image dithering to Jarvis. Change the piece size to the measurements of the glass you wrote down at the beginning. It was 4.5 inches by 11.5 inches. Check the box next to center engraving. Then click OK. Click Print. As the job loads, turn on the air compressor and fan. Press play. The engraver will engrave the glass. When done, you can add a new glass and hit play again for the same design, or repeat the steps starting at opening the new file in Adobe Acrobat for each design. There are 4 available. When finished, turn off and unplug the machine. Remove the rotary attachment and replace the waste tray and mesh bed for the next user.